Want to draw a cozy cabin? I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start our cozy cabin drawing with an HB pencil, light lines, and a rectangle shape for our first wall. We'll use a triangle shape to sketch in the roof to our cabin. Let's move on to the sidewall, and still keeping our lines nice and light, let's sketch in the roof. We want to keep the roof angle the same from one side to the other as best as we can. If your lines run past a little bit, that's okay. And that's why we keep them light, and we can fix them with an eraser. Now let's add a chimney to our cozy cabin. Now should we use brick or rock for the chimney? We'll add in a tree behind our cabin with the basic shape of a triangle to give us the outline of the tree. Let's add some windows and a door to our cabin, along with trim around our windows. Now, do you think the trim adds a finished look to the windows? Now we can add some trim to the cabin roof. Nothing fancy, just simple lines. Let's add the top to the chimney and sketch in the brick. Now I think a chimney should have smoke coming out of it. Or do you like it clear? What do you think? Now we can add some branches to our tree with simple up and down pencil strokes, and with the branches slightly curved up to give it that pine tree look. Here is a simple way to add realistic detail to our cabin windows. We're going to add curtains and window panes. And we'll add life to the windows later on. And now we're going to add in our door with a simple Z door, and we're going to put boards behind it with simple vertical lines. Now we can add our timber style logs for our cabin, complete with a narrow gap for chinking. The lines don't have to be perfect. It'll all add character to our cabin. We'll add little squares to our timbers, and that will represent the notches. We'll add simple vertical lines for the end wall of our cabin to give it that wood look. Now our cabin is starting to come together. What do you think? Would you live in this cabin? Let's add some contrast to our cabin drawing, and we'll switch to a 4B pencil for the detail. We'll start by darkening the top of our chimney and add in chimney smoke for that inviting look of our cabin. Now, would you add the smoke or would you leave it clear? If you enjoy cozy cabin drawings like this, check out my barn drawing with real perspective. Also, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my drawing tutorials. You can use a blending stump or a Q-tip or a tissue to soften the dark areas of the smoke. Next, we'll darken up the tree that sits behind our cabin. Stay within the first lines you made with the tree, and that will give it a more fuller look. And we can darken up the outline of our cabin roof and add shading. Next, let's give our end wall some texture and shading. Let's shade in our cabin timbers with a light shade, and we'll darken the edges. And outline the windows. On the bottom timber, add a jagged line on the bottom edge, and it will represent the ground. Give the timber ends a really dark tone, and that will give our cabin some nice contrast. Now let's bring our windows to life. We're going to darken the glass and leave the curtains white and the wood dividers. Add some shading around the cabin for the ground. I hope you enjoyed today's cozy cabin drawing. If you did, check out my scenery drawing playlist. Until next time, keep it real and draw what inspires you.